Hey guys, I'm back. Here to do another hiccuping while beatboxing video. It was very popular, so yeah, due to the amount of requests, I thought I'd do another one. What I'm going to do this time though, as you can see, I've got my blender here. I'm going to mix a bunch of the same chilies I used the last time and mix them with a load of other stuff and drink it, and then get the hiccups, and yeah, we'll go from there. But hopefully this time hiccups won't go so damn quick. So you get a longer video. You get a longer video of me beatboxing with hiccups. Okay, so I'm going to get these chilies prepared, and then yeah, we can start blending. Let's do this! Okay, so I've got all my chilies prepared. I've got 6 here. I'm going to chuck those in, and I'm going to mix it with some vegetable juice. So it's going to be like a non-alcoholic Bloody Mary, if you want to call it that. So I'm going to mix those, and I've got some other stuff I'm going to put in. So let's start with the vegetable juice. I've got 2 cans of this. I really don't like this stuff either. This was my girlfriend's idea, to mix it with this. Oh my god. This is not good. This is going to taste so bad. I'm actually not worried about the chili, I'm more worried about this. 2 cans of it. Blimey. Okay, there goes number 2. It smells like tomato soup, which actually isn't too bad, but just drinking it. Extra kick, I'm going to add some more chili powder, just to hopefully make sure it gives me the hiccups. Okay, that's enough. This stuff is potent. And just for giggles, I'm going to put some fish sauce. Yeah, baby. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, let's see what this turns out like. See all the seeds. Okay, I think we're good. I've actually got some milk handy today as well, so I don't cry like last time. I didn't cry like, you know. Oh, jeez. That is wrong in all ways wrong. I'm going to try and drink as much as I can, but as soon as I get the hiccups, I'm going to start beatboxing. 3, 2, 1. Well, it's very spicy. Whoa, that's very spicy. I don't feel the hiccups there yet, so I'm going to have to keep going. Chili. No hiccups, come on. That tastes so bad. God, that's spicy. Okay, this isn't working. I'm not going to be liking tomorrow. This was such a bad idea. It's not even spicy anymore. Okay, that was a fail, but it was fun, but nasty. That's so wrong. To eat chili fish. Very spicy. It's gonna get even more spicier. I'm gonna eat a small chili because I know these things give me hiccups, as you've seen before. Come on, hiccups. I'm gonna have to keep going until I get hiccups because they're not coming yet. So hot. I won't be sneeze. Whoa. Jeez. It's supposed to make me hiccup, not sneeze. That's so hot. I'm not getting them. This is a fail. A major fail. That's so spicy. I'm gonna try to eat some of this. I think it's wet in my eye. This isn't working. This is a massive fail. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna shoot through this. Ah. So hot. I keep crying. This is so bad. Start dripping all over the place. All this time is baby very stocky. Very. I'm sorry, this hasn't worked. I haven't got the hiccups for you people that wanted to see me the hiccups. But I will beatbox for you with chili in my mouth, start dripping from my face, with my neighbours' kids screaming. It's so difficult. Whoa, this really makes it hot for me. I'm sorry. This has really not worked for me today. This is really surprising actually, because every time I eat chilies or anything spicy I get hiccups. This didn't work. You saw me eat like 4 chilies. Didn't work. I'm not going to put myself to eat the rest of the bag if it ain't going to work. But I hope you enjoyed. Once again, I apologise if this hasn't been a success. I will try to find other ways to give me hiccups. I might drink a lot of alcohol, which I know gives people hiccups. When I get the hiccups from that, then I'll record a quick vlog of me doing it. I'm not going to try this chilies again. But anyway, hope you all enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Peace!